two things. One is personal based questions, another one is technical based questions. All technical based questions from your topics covered, like about hardware or operating system, troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, okay, about the service desk, ticket, incident management, or problem management, okay, and monitoring tools, or what is an Outlook, how to configure an Outlook, how to use an Outlook, or what is a VPN, what is server, what is DHCP server, what is DNS server, what is meant by server, what is a cloud, what is the different type of cloud services, what are the cloud deployments models are there, what is AWS, what is Azure, like that. Okay, what is Office 365, what is the advantage of using Office 365, subscription models in Office 365. So these are the technical topics, the technical questions from your technical part. Okay. But apart from it, you are always be ready to answer for the personal questions. Technical, you have to prepare anyway. We will going through that one. But these are all always common questions in any interview and basically our HCL also. Yeah, about yourself. Okay, so all about you, about yourself, your graduation. Okay, self-introduction kind of stuff. What is your graduation and where are you from? Which college you are belongs to? Which area you are belongs to? What is your hobbies, strengths, weakness kind of stuff. Okay. So maybe they will ask about your village, your college related, parents, friends, about how you celebrate last birthday. Okay, so what you have done in a Corona time, how classes are going on in Corona time, like that it is. Next is different favorite is like hobbies or favorite things, what kind of movies you watch. So based on your answer, there is always a question. For example, I'm getting a question that is, what is your hobbies? Like my hobby is reading books. Then what kind of books you read it? How many books you read? What is recent book you read it? Why you prefer particular author? Okay. So for example, I read mostly Sydney Sheldon novels. So what is the last novel you read it? What is the most preferable thing it is? So what you learn from it? Okay. So like this, I am listening to the music. So what kind of music? What kind of audios thing kind of stuff is movie related like that. So from your answers also there will be a question. So plan your next question by giving current answer. Okay, so that is always important. So mostly these are all for checking your communication. No one will verify which book you read it. So go and bring that book and tell me the story. It's not like that. Okay, but don't bluff more. Okay, any interview, don't bluff more. Next one is if you are belongs to non-IT stream or non-CSC belongs to. So then why you are came to choose an IT field? Okay, so prepare a proper answer. So IT industry, so how vast IT industry is there? Everywhere IT, how it is influenced nowadays, the artificial intelligence or automation technologies, how influence to do the work in faster manner. Okay, so different kind of answer. Find out why you choose an IT service. Do not say negatively about non-IT. For example, I from the mechanical background. So why you choose an IT? So mechanical do not have a jobs. Don't say like that. Tell me why you choose an IT because you like an IT, the services, the way you can develop faster growth in the IT industry. Okay, that kind of stuff. And if you are from IT and the CSC, you are from uh, IT background, BTech or BE, IT, CSC background. Why you choose this specific profile? This is a service desk analyst profile. Why you choose? Why can't you go for a software developer or why can't you go for a something cloud technologist directly like that? Why you choose this specific profile? So give a proper answer like this is as a starter, it is better to go inside as whatever the profile it is available, go inside. So I like more into the help into this. I like troubleshooting things instead of building something. I like to troubleshooting. My more strength is to search for anything and configuring is my personal motto. Okay. If I want to set some technology, or maybe I want to configure some server or a service related, I'm very good in that one. I will do that one first. So, what is your more motive to come to the service desk? Helping the people, troubleshooting is your motto. So, initial startup is a service desk. It's large growth in the IT industry kind of stuff. What is your weakness and strength? Okay, so both should be always simple and clear. Do not say weakness is your not your health issues or parents or friends. There are not weakness. Weakness can be some more strength related on. Okay, so that like that. Okay, strength. So fix some strengths and all. You know already. Just I'm just refreshing this kind of question, and daily. So try to give answer. Okay, so it is almost like more than 6 7 months. So I'm just refreshing these things. Goals. What is your short-term goal? What is your long-term goal? Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? It's like a, so what is planning in your career related? Don't say personal related. So tell about a career related, how you want to build your career. What is your next career? So I want to become a in a 5 years. So I want to become a cloud expert or a cloud security expert, or maybe in a AA cloud expert kind of stuff. So something, 10 years I want to become an IT manager. So what is the thing you will go into it? Or maybe I want to become a cloud architect, or maybe I want to become a infrastructure architect, so network architect. I want to become. So I want to become network architect. So I do CCNA next, and then CCNP like that. Okay, designing side or like that. What are the technologies you learn? So from here, what are the technologies learn, or maybe from outside, what are the technologies you learn, or you want to learn? Okay. Currently, you are not have a knowledge on something like DevOps. You don't know. So you in future you don't want to learn DevOps, or maybe you want to learn some AI related ML models. You want to learn, or cloud you want to learn, or you want to do some cloud certifications, or you want to become a network engineer. So I want to do CCNA. I want to become a security expert, cyber security expert. So then I want to learn particular technologies related to it. Maybe you have learned something about maybe AWS you learn. I learned AWS in particular period. I have done this certificate. I have learned some few technologies from 70s service desk about service desk networking essentials kind of stuff. Okay. Rate your technical knowledge and communication skills. It's a very difficult question and very difficult to answer because so there is no genuinity here because if you can, you have to say higher, even though it is lower, but compulsory judge yourself +1 always. Like, for example, your technical knowledge, you think it is 7, tell them 8 or 9. Okay. So, okay. So there is no one will try to knock down because they want to select you. So they will say that your confidence and communication skills. That's the point, guys. If I got a 1 million, so do you think still work in a HCL? This is also one tricky questions also. Not only this, there is a lot of tricky questions also. If you got 1 million, 1 million means in the sense of US, it is a dollars. $1 million is huge money. 1 million rupees is just 10 lakhs. Okay. But still, guys, lot of people are having lot of crorepati, still do work even for even a low wage or high wage kind of stuff. If I have a 1 billion rupees, but maybe my passion about to do work. It's not about money, it is about my passion to do work. To where my skills are there. So I will try to prove my skills. I want to build my skills. It's not about what money I have. Some crore also do work in this organizations, right? So that's type. So build your answer, build your the way how to speak an answer. It is very important. If you're not selected for this profile, what you do? Okay, so nothing, no problem. So if you are not, don't say like I have no problem. I will try another. So I'm not. So build your proper answer. Like don't show overconfidence or underconfidence also. Tell them easy way answer. Like so, I will try next time. I will add some more additional skills. I will apply for an different profile or maybe same profile or maybe different company. Okay, I'll keep going. So what you do, I keep learning and keep going with the opportunities. That's the simple. I will, for example, I am trying for HCL for this profile, but is asking question like I'm not. If you are not able to select, I'm not going to select you. What you will do? What you will do? We don't disappoint. We'll keep learning, keep going, keep searching, keep getting, keep applying. We don't see okay, HCL is not selected. Go say goodbye, goodbye. No, we don't do it. We don't say like HCL is a small company. Everything has to go like that. Okay. What do you know about a 70s? Okay. And what do you know about a HCL? So compulsory check in internet about the 70s. What is 70s organization? The IT company. What are the different services 70s is providing? What service you like in this HCL kind of stuff, right? And also go for HCL. What is a HCL? Where it is found? Who is the current CEO? And what is the work culture in HCL? Okay, what is the work culture in HCL and what are the different services are there? Okay, so what is the growth in the HCL? If you are be a part of HCL, what you are expecting? Okay, then that's the type of questions are there. These are all do not have a specific answer. And you cannot by heart and tell also. These are all questions and answers all by yourself. You the way simple way, guys. You have to tell an answer in a very easy manner. Do not put a more hard words. I'm very excited to join in HCL. Don't say like that. I'm looking forward to join in HCL. I'm excited. I'm very enthusiastic. Don't use that kind of words also. Okay. Of course, it's because it's not this Instagram kind of stuff will give a very basic level. I mean, that's what is. Freshers and that people, the HR is very fresher. You don't know anything. Like they are also learn from that one. The senior HR is behave very simple manner. So give simple answers. Don't hard your answers. Okay. So that's practice like that. And you hear your own answers. Try one answer, hear your answer, and retry again. Retry again. So then it is become fine tuned. So it's become more easier. And the question from your answer, build your questions from your answer, then you can very easily you can make that next question and answers. Guys, always remember interview means interview will ask a question, you will give an answer. Very simple. Okay. Yeah. Last part is here. It is technical questions. Technical questions always learn like this. What it is? What is a CPU? What is RAM? What is the difference between RAM and ROM? Okay. What is the difference between incident and problem management? What is the difference between DHCP and DNS? What is a Active Directory? What is VPN? What is the different types of VPNs? What is an outlook? What is the use of an outlook? Okay, different types of cloud deployment models. What is the different cloud service models are available? Okay, what are the different network components are there? What is an IP address? So where you use an IP address? What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? So while you are reading again about your technical stuff or when we are discussing, so you have to build the questions like this. What is what? Okay, what it is, well, brief about it. Different types of things are there, differences are there, right? Advantages, disadvantages. Okay, advantage and disadvantages also on everything, right? I'm using a cloud. So what is the advantage of using cloud? That is a disadvantage of using cloud. Okay. These are the technical. Always how you read, how what is you read from it. Okay. So you have to build your own questions. Of course, there is some questions are there, but still. For example, you got a BSOD. What is BSOD? Blue screen of death. Okay. What is why you are getting this blue screen of death? Because there is some kernel related, like it may be my system drivers are corrupted, or maybe some application is while I'm running some application which is hardware dependent, it interrupt my drivers. Maybe I installed a new hardware. Maybe I upgraded my device drivers. So I got a blue screen of death. What to do? Just uh, wait, let a blue screen of death comes and restart itself. Okay. So the system is restarted. Now what to do? So keep working. If you are getting blue screen of death again, then it is a big problem. So if you are getting only once, do not worry, just wait, let it restart itself, then check it. So if it is issue is resolved, good. If it is issue is not resolved, you are getting blue screen of death again, then you have to think what you have done before you are getting a blue screen of death. Are you change any hardware related settings, or you install some application, or maybe you are upgraded any and new drivers, are you installing new drivers, are you install new hardware components. Okay, then if it is anything you have done just previously, then revert it. And while you are using some application only you are getting, so try to avoid that application and install that application. Okay, you can do reset kind of stuff if you want. Like that, prepare your answer. Yes. So questions can be from troubleshooting or plain also. Okay. Anybody having any doubts till now? Any questions? No problem.
Latif sir,
Yeah, tell me.
actually I did not tell my attendance.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The name here. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me, Rani.
Sir, I too didn't tell my attendance.
Here it is. And why I'm getting this message. One second, guys. One second. Any questions you can ask me, no problem. regarding technical questions. What are the topics you have learned? Anybody remember these topics? In interview, not only about it. So there are so many things they can able to ask. Either, of course, I will. I think we can discuss this one again. But they can ask what mobile you are using, Android or iPhone. So, what is the difference between using iPhone or Android phone? Okay, so that is a common question. So, common knowledge questions. So that can be all also asked. Are you using Windows or a MacBook? A lot of people expecting question is Windows and Linux differences. Okay, but really for a personal computer, people use Windows or Mac. Okay, so what is the difference? Also, current things like what is ChatGPT or OpenAI, what is a generative AI, what is mm, thing it is now we can make images or video stuff. Also, we can make it. No, lot of generative AI kind of stuff is came about it. What is the current in the market? Okay, current using or current things in the market. Maybe okay. So maybe they will ask for any automation tools or monitoring tools, like not only pure technical part, also they can able to ask you based on what you are using. So prepare for those things also. Yeah, here is the first part. Thing is, anybody answer please for this question. You got a question. What is your system configuration? Means your computer configuration. So what are the things you have to say? I have a computer, like I have a laptop. I got a question that is, what is your system configuration? So what are the things you will tell? Anybody? Don't feel shy. You can say like Shivajyoti is here.
IP
Hemant,
address, MAC address.
very good. I'm muted. Okay. Magna. Is Magna in our list? Check. Magna, are you joined just now? This is retraining now, so you have to speak. Okay. Anyway, one answer I got it. Guys, always remember system configuration means your system, hardware, and operating system configuration. About your,
Sir, I know some details in system configuration.
yeah, tell me. I'm waiting.
Intel i5, sir, processor name.
Okay, very good. Intel
i5,
i5 processor. Very good.
8 GB RAM,
8 GB RAM. Very good.
512 SSD.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
What operating system you are using?
Windows 11, sir.
Windows 11. Very good. So these are the system configuration. Good. Okay. So here it is. Very good. This is the answer. Okay. Always tell about your CPU. CPU means nothing but your processor only. Some people say, what is your processor? What is your CPU? Central processing unit. Next, always tell about your RAM. No one will tell about a ROM. Okay. So RAM is important. So RAM. Next one is your hard disk or SSD. Nowadays, most of the laptops, even the desktop also comes with SSDs only. Next is your operating system. Just in case if you are using gaming laptops or gaming side desktops, you have a graphic card, then you can put a graphic card GPU.
Graphical. Yes, sir. 4 GB graphics card, sir.
Very good. So you have a graphic card also. So like your GB is 4 GB GPU. Even including if you want to add what kind of model it is. Okay, guys. So central processing unit. This is i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSDs. What are the most common things in it? So don't, you can say like a terabytes, 512 terabytes, but it's not a terabyte. It is GBs only currently. Okay, in not else. Current operating system is Windows 11. I'm using Windows 10 because I like Windows 10 only. Windows 11 still confused. Okay. So Windows 11 is currently in the market. Windows 10 and Windows 11 both are running in the market, not 12 or 13, 14. Okay, not 8K. Okay, there is no 9. 8 is there, but 9 is not there. Okay, graphical card. Not every system should have a graphic card. Not every system. For example, this is our company laptop. It does not have any graphic cards. Okay. So in my old laptop, it is 2 GB graphic card is there. In my desktop, in my home desktop, a 2 GB graphic card is there. So not always it can be there. Okay. So just for example, this is what is an answer for your CPU. You have to tell about your CPU, RAM, SSD, operating system, and graphic card. If it is there, optional it is. Okay. It's an optional. This is network configuration. If someone asks you what is your network configuration, means your laptop network, means you can say about IP address. Okay. So I'm not dismissing anything, but here it is. Of course, how to know your system configuration? You know your system configuration, but how do you know what is your system configuration? How do you know what is your system and why we should know your system configuration? Lot of people, even though they are from CSE background, people Do not worry about what is their system configuration. Okay. So why we should know the system configuration? For example, I want to install an application. Okay. I want to install some application. Um, what is that one? Yeah, I want to install MS SQL server. So my system is suitable or not? I cannot install blindly. Okay, last time I tried to configure Informatica tool. So that required Oracle SQL, Informatica server, Informatica client. Means three applications I have to install and configure. So compulsory, a lot of RAM is requirement is there, hard CPU requirement, disk space requirement is there. Okay, I want to play a game, so I want to play some COD Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So my graphic card is suitable for that one, CPU is suitable, the storage is available, operating system dependency is available. That is also important. Okay. So I'm running applications. Currently, I'm running very less application. One is Google Browser, second one is Microsoft Edge, another is our Teams, and of course my Outlook and my uh, what is this one is Windows Sync feature snipping tool. So parallel, if I open multiple applications, of course I'm using this. Uh, I'm using PowerPoint also. Okay. For example, background, I open some multiple applications. My system becomes slow. People will complain my system is slow. I am getting a lot of virus. No, no, guys. Because of your system is currently running multiple applications, either foreground or background, system become automatically slow. That's why we should know your system capacity. Then only you can decide which this application can able to run, can able to install, can able to um, maintain is running in foreground, background kind of stuff also important. And how to check the system configuration? Simple. There is a few small tools are there. Okay. Some are built in your PC only. Very easiest one is Task Manager. Another one is about your PC. Right. But I'm telling some additional things. First one is MS Info 32. So I'm telling first simple Task Manager how to do it. So here is this is called a taskbar. I think you can able to see. This is a task manager. You can open task manager different ways. Okay. So I open task manager. Okay. See if it is click on more details like this. You can see these are my current running applications. You can see. Okay. These are both foreground background applications running in my system. Go to performance, click CPU. See what is the load on CPU, and you can see what is my processor and their model also. I will snip it and show you that one. See it is. I am using i5 processor, 10th generation U model. So U means upper, means it is a better performance model, and M means medium, like that one is there. Okay, it's a 10th generation. My clock speed is 1.6 gigahertz clock speed. It's a one single CPU, but the number of cores are four. You can see number of cores are four. Number of logical processor are eight. I have virtualization is enabled. My L3 cache is 6. Current utilization is 33%. Like this. It's somewhere it up, it go down. That is a good thing. My RAM is 16 GB. I'll show you that one. My RAM is 16 GB. See it is. My RAM is 16 GB. It's 2 of 2 means 8 GB plus 8 GB. Current availability. See, I have a 6 GB available out of 16 GB, around 5.3. Okay, out of 16 GB. It means I'm utilizing much more into the system. Okay, I can able to run multiple applications. Still, I can open some more applications. If my system feels very slow, I feel a system function very slow, the availability RAM become very less. What to do? Close some applications. So here it is, lot of additional tabs I open. Better I will close it. So if I close that thing, so maybe a little bit, see, 5.3 to 5.7. If I close some more application here it is. Okay, and this is required now, so still it improves our RAM and load on the CPU. See, it is earlier 33%, now 21, 13 like that. Okay, so that is also maintained. So from Task Manager, you can see your system capacity, means your CPU and memory configuration, and disk configuration also you can see. So 477G means it is 512 GB hard disk, and your graphic card related. So it is showing shared memory. So it is not original graphic card. Okay. It is UHD graphics means the default graphics only. You cannot play major games in it. Okay. So guys, I understand CPU utilization, memory utilization, and you can manage your current running applications. And also, if it is slow, then also better to check it. And also you will get a configuration of your system. And that is about a task manager. You can open Task Manager in different ways. How to check system configuration is, answer is you can use Task Manager, or you can use simply about your PC. Okay. So where to go? In a search bar, type about your PC. So it is already there, about your PC. Open it. See, it is my processor, my RAM, and my operating system. I'm using Windows 10 Pro Edition. Okay. So current build version is this one. And my operating system is 64-bit system, and my processor is 64-bit system and 64-bit operating system. I'm using 16 GB RAM and my i5 processor, you can see. And this is my computer name. I will tell what is this in next classes. Okay. So like this, you can also get a computer information. Same thing you can open from your settings. Go to the settings. First one, system, and then scroll down, click on about. You'll find same information. Okay. Next one is uh, MS Info 32. So you can go to search or a run. Try to learn how to open the run box also. Okay. I can do search, but also be habituated to open the run box. So what is my operating system? Windows 10 Pro. What is my processor? i10 10th generation 10 210U. CPU 1.1. So 4 core, 8 logical processors, 16 GB RAM. Okay. And hard disk, you can find hard disk from somewhere like components, storage, disk. This is my hard disk means our SSD only 500 GB. Okay. That is MS Info 32. It is system information. DX is a DirectX diagnostics tool. It will tell about your graphic card, but we can get a other information. DX diag. Okay. This is also telling your operating system. But it is saying my operating system, Windows 10 Pro, my processor, my RAM, that is no hard disk information, but other DirectX information. And display, can you see UHD graphic card? Display original memory is 128 MB only. It's 8 GB it is showing, that is not original one. That is just a shared memory type. Okay. The original graphic card space it will shows in display memory, not in shared memory. Okay. Other information is like this. Command, through command prompt also you can type system info .exe, you will get it. So you can go to command prompt. Maybe it is working or not working. Sometimes you have to open as a run as an administrator. Do not worry, by just in 5 o'clock I will close it. Okay. First day. Tomorrow we'll continue daily 3 hours. So once again, and also you can go through your previous class notes. Okay, so topics like first I will start service desk related topics. Okay, so go through it. See, from here also I'm getting my operating system, processor relates, RAM related details, and some other details also. Okay, so what is this CPU Z or spicy? I think I have a CPU Z. No, I don't have a CPU Z. Yes, CC. Okay, I think I didn't install this application in my PC. It is there in my old PC. Okay, these two are third-party applications. You can um, download freely and install or run in your PC. So it will also show you your system informations. Look like this. Like this, what is your CPU? How many cores are active? Okay, what is your RAM? Which slot having which RAM kind of stuff. Another one is, CC cleaner. The CC cleaner also build this spice. Okay, it will give you pure details about your CPU, RAM, and graphic card, motherboard, hard disk, and in deep details also you can get it. Okay, these two are a third-party tools. This is how to check your system configuration. So you got a question, what is your system configuration? So you have to tell about your CPU. For example, in my case, I'm using Intel uh, i5. So I can say simply 10th generation, or maybe I will tell a number. My RAM is 16 GB. Okay. So so maybe it's a mostly DDR4. Okay. So mostly DDR4. You can say DDR4, or if you don't know what is this, I can discuss later. Hard disk is 500 GB or 512 GB. Can say that is SSD. I have SSD. Operating system, I am using Windows 10. In Windows 10, editions are there. Pro, Home, Enterprise like that. Graphics is simple Intel UHD graphics. Yeah, tell me. So I find my system configuration. by using task manager or about your PC, or maybe go to start settings system about, or maybe I can go so MS Info 32 or DX diag like that. I find my system configuration, then that is my system. So question is, what is your system configuration means you have to tell your system configuration, your laptop or desktop system configuration, or at least some bluff answer. If you do not have a laptop, generally you have it. If you do not have, get it from others. Find out system configuration and do it. How to check it? These are the different ways to get a system configuration. Why we need to run to install any application or a games kind of stuff. Running applications are become slower, then why we need is why it is slow. So you will know if you know your system configuration. So these are the point. Try once, find your system configuration. Okay, then you can try it. This is different ways to open a task manager. Different ways to open a task manager. Okay. So one is like you can search, type task manager here, or you can go to command prompt or run task mgr, or right click on a taskbar and you can do task manager. And one more is there, that is control shift escape. Task manager will open. CT RL plus shift plus escape. You press these three buttons at a time and also task manager will open. Okay. Any questions, guys, regarding up to here? So my old system configuration. So tomorrow we'll discuss about some of the networking basics. So definitely I will ask questions. Compulsory. To whom I call, they should give an answer. Okay, because already you know it. Okay, anything? Hmm. Nothing, no one is speaking. Do you guys understand or not understand? Or sleeping? Okay.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. I'm stopping.